Well, a very good evening to you wherever you are. I do hope that you can join me in appreciating this truly beautiful evening. A night that is absolutely ideal for a game of football. The scenes here really are something, a beautiful picture under the floodlights. Traffic and transport around here, not the kindest, but regardless of that, the fans have found a way of getting here. There is a sense of theatre and the decibel levels are rising. And expectations are rising and decibel levels are rising. The noise is quite something. You can feel what football means to the people in this part of the world. And we're underway. They can break here. Passing nice and neat. Challenge just a bit on the firm side. The referee's awarded a free kick. It's not taken him long, and that's going to be a booking. Players protesting furiously, but there's little or no sympathy from the ref. Goalkeeper's ball. Acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, the idea was right, the delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
And it's corner. They've played it short. Fires it in low. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Good spot, he's seen the run. Move forward and quickly so. It's a throw in. Plays it from a quarterback position. That a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Gets good distance on it. It is early, but the game hasn't yet sparked into life. Oh, he's felt that, hasn't he? Out to the right. Gets his pass away. Can he latch on to this?
That right side seems to have become a very good outlet for them now. Look, it's the width that's providing this momentum and they look set to further exploit. Really aren't convincing right now. It has to start in defence, but the whole team needs a wake-up call.
And that's clear cut, it's a free kick. last-ditch defending, but that'll do. And he's lost, has a go! Oh, that was no routine save.
Oh, that's a sparkling save, absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra-sharp.
Threads one in. Iraq opting for a change of tack here, I think, Jim.
Yeah, but it's an approach that can work very well if you've got the players who have the right movement in the box. You know, when they're coming in from wide positions, you just want that instinct to take over.
Gently done. Now, this could be a chance. And the shot! Knocks it away. Still goalless at the moment. Forwards and with intent. And it's played forward. Now this could be great hits!
The keeper was likely to need his best there, and he found it.
Shifted upfield. Too long, and over the line. Good run through the middle, but he needs support. Out to the left it goes. Played into the towering header. Oh, just needed a better contact.
Now that was a slick move, and there were several options in the box to pick out.
Muscular approach does pay off here. And it's lofted through here. And out to safety. That'll be a throw. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it.
Yeah, well, they were exposed and vulnerable, and he knew he had to do something to prevent a goal then.
Well, you might think he got off lightly. It is just a verbal warning. Cross deflected behind for a corner. And now a sudden chance to counter. Sends it forward. Looking for options for solid goal! The keeper passes the test.
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
Have their second corner now. And it's been taken short. And that has been clubbed away. Iraq can counter promptly here. Hit into the middle. There's the shot! It's run loose. He's gone for goal! That's a fine save!
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Challenge, but fair enough. Now there's a fine ball. The ball is loose and the chase is on. The pressing's intense and it's paid off. And he's managed to get rid. In again.
Yeah, I think if that can be repeated, there's a good chance of a goal.
Played out towards the right wing. It'll be a throw-in. Looking for the runner. And that's been levered clear.
Iraq have really been terrific at snuffing out the threat. Now for something different.
Over to the left. Oh, that's a key interception. Gently done. And we hit half-time. Well, it has been a half largely of could-haves and should-haves. Perhaps the more impatient amongst the supporters will feel they're overdue a goal, but it's certainly not for the want of trying, so nothing to show as yet. At the break, it's 0-0. So they head in no further forward. The score here, still 0-0. So off we go once more.
Well, that first 45 minutes didn't deliver as we'd hoped. Lots of effort, but...
Hits one! Oh, the ball's run loose here. He'll try to keep this alive. Amat is there, and he can get that clear. And the counter is on. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Well, that's down to a simple miscalculation. No more, no less.
That's an excellent interception. And they can counter here. No, that's been intercepted. Justin Meram. He's a sharp little... Decent hit! Well, that was very necessary.
That's alert and sharp and very well played.
And they're quick to get it back. Looking to break out here. Driven forward. Oh, that's well spotted. Moved on forwards. And that is out of play. Iraq have turned to their bench, and we're going to have a substitution. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. It's an inviting looking ball, that. Oh, easy pickings there. A deeply frustrating game so far. Certainly in terms of the scoreline, it remains 0-0. Danger averted for now. Oh, he's fizzed it forward. Now the counter. Looks to go up and over. Great chance! Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
OK, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break.
It's a good spell of possession, this. Now, who's going to be first to this? Chance to break. gets it back. Justin Meram. Oh, nice touch.
Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play quite as much as he did then. A couple of his teammates were very annoyed.
Out for a throw. And they've got a throw. Played out to the right.
This is what good chemistry is all about.
Last-ditch defending, but that'll do.
There's nothing more infuriating for a fan than seeing passing without penetration. They're just stuck in a rut.
Well-timed, excellent interception. Fiddles it through. Oh, he's found him in space!
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
He's through, now is he in? And the shot! Oh, that's a fine challenge. And he's there to get it away. Iraq are making a change now.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
He's in space and looking for options. Massive leap! Good delivery, but no joy.
That's a real disappointment as well, after he worked so hard to just get into position and get on the end of that in the first place. A lot of effort for very little reward.
Oh, Red, nice interception. Up towards the front line. Move forward and quickly so. Passing is crisp and sharp. Real chance! Oh, he hit that sweetly.
Look, they don't come much better in terms of ball striking. It deserved a better result than that.
So there's going to be another change here.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
Nice control. Yeah, he's fouled him there.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score, and obviously he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he?
Well, that looks like a final warning. Still no card. And the potential here for the first goal of the game. This certainly looks appetising, well within shooting range. He's gone for the shot! And that's caused a worry or two.
Yeah, he may have snatched at that a bit, even though it was quite close.
Nice physical challenge. Justin Meram. Interesting ball. He's left his man. Oh, it's opened up for him.
you wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more opportunity, Peter, for a late steal here.
Threads one in.
Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one last fling.
And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. Iraq making consecutive changes here.
Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. He'd become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it, and I think that's happened in this case.
Confirmation that there will be 2 minutes stoppage time.
Well, they shouldn't be dawdling at this stage. They need to get the ball in the mixer, and quickly.
That's it, we're going to get 30 minutes more.
Yeah, neither side has anything to show for some splendid effort, and they certainly aren't showing any signs of easing off, so we remain optimistic.
Well, fitness and fatigue, the key factors now as we head for extra time. No winner in 90, 30 more to come. Oh, he's caught him there, it's a free kick. He's had it taken off him. Plays it forward. Nice interception. His positioning was spot on. Played with finesse. He's cut it out. A real chance to break. Nice sequence of passes, this. And it's played forward. Looking for options for movement. Lovely feet. Oh, now the finish! Clears it out of harm's way. Chooses to go back. Decent progress down the left. Can he get away here? Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Great defending, strong and determined. Oh, no question, that's a foul. They've managed to get it away. Can he finish? Oh, that's incredible! Save the best for last! Well, no goalkeeper would keep that out. It really was a bullet.
Well, the technique generates the power in that situation, and once power is assured, any goalkeeper's up against it.
So we have our breakthrough. Challenge just a bit on the firm side. Well, he's going to be pulled back for that one. And he is going into that little black book. And that's it for the first half of extra time. Then 90 minutes long gone, 15 of an extra 30 have also gone, and the search for a winner is still on. Truly, this is a punishing game on bodies and heads and minds. The outstanding question, the only question, is there still room for one last bit of drama? And the action has already restarted. He's got the shot away! And that would have been game, set and match.
Well, he's definitely kept the side in the game then. That's really good positioning. They could have doubled their lead there.
Great leap! That's going to go a long way. And now they can spring out of defence. Stood up well to him there. Oh, such a clever touch. It's loose and there's a race for the ball. Well, he is the type of character who rises to this sort of challenge, and he will be back for more. And he's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick. And he's going direct. Decent hit from there. They get a throw in. Time is running out here.
All they need is one big chance, and it may do the trick.
Referee's had a good look and given a corner. So, third corner of the game. They've played it short. One ball looking to counter. And now a sudden chance to counter. Keeper's got good distance on that. He can get that clear. Back in possession and ready to go again. Gets his pass away.
I thought it was going to happen then. How many more chances can they realistically expect now?
And the shot! Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class range.
Keep the ball and you win the game. It really is that simple. Sends it forward. That has been cut short. Forwards and with intent. Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle.